Go on in. You record? You hold.
Noisy.
Does it have a name?
Well, Harry, do you want to
Wow.
photo of him?
A bit closer.
I can't get any nearer.
That's it. You hold it up there. There we go.
Hold on.
That's right.
Yeah, you cheeky monkey. Come on in. Up. Come on, up. No, which way are you going to go? This way.
He really likes that.
Say hello, Harry.
Hello, Harry.
Yeah, he doesn't speak. He screams. Don't you? Come on in. This way.
Harry,
He
the
really,
camera shy.
he really likes that pole.
Yeah, he does like this pole. This is my little pole that I train him on.
Right.
Otherwise,
Is he trained?
well, sort of, sometimes. Oi. Come on in.
Oh, nice that.
Little crisp. You get your crisp, say that. All like these. And we've got, there's a very left, actually.
Is he eating all the crisps?
Oh yeah, there is it.
Oh, that.
Wiggy. Here we go. Do you want this? You like them, don't you? Sit on the thing.
Oh.
Sit down. Sit down.
He really
Sit
likes.
down first before you lift up the crisp. Come on.
He's not having it.
Sit down. Sit. Okay, look. Sit down.
He really doesn't want to get off that stick.
Yeah, get off the wood. Right, here you go.
There you go.
That obviously they're small, but as they grow, one hundred.
Excellent. Ready?
Yeah, most of them go. You never know.
Is that cool, Emmy?
It's much more obvious on
It's
the right colour. On the big one, it is very easy to tell. And it's the same on the goldfish. The goldfish is also goldfish in the sun. Goldfish. I don't know what I didn't buy it because it's in the store. But like.
Oh, dropped his crisp.
That one is a thing. It's got little petals, little round
Where's his
petals.
crisp?
That's a thing.
He dropped it.
I think that one.
Wow.
Yeah, and I think that
Can we
one
go to the
there.
cafe now?
Yeah, let's get the cafe now. Okay. Come on then.
Wow.
They don't always. If you see the big
Somebody else wants to have a look now.
and they carry them underneath them, but when they come up.